Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Scorpio Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo. 10th house deal with your fame, your authority seen from 10th house, your career means your work and your work environment is also seen from 10th house, your superiors, your co-workers is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your 10th house, so we can expect in the month of September, especially before 17th of September, we can expect positive result for you people regarding your work related matter, regarding your authority, regarding your fame, because your 10th house Lord is right now moving in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your authority, regarding your work related matter in the month of September for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house. Right now, Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo, where Sun is already moving. Now, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in Mercury retrograde video. So, right now, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion and it will stay retrograde till 15 September 2023. 8th house will be your sudden event, your longevity, your chronic diseases seen from 8th house, your psychological issues. Your insights is also seen from 8th house. Your in-laws related matter is also seen from 8th house. Your secret relationship and your secrets affair is also seen from 8th house. But generally, your secrets is seen from 8th house. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder sibling is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. Your achievement in life is also seen from 11th house, and gain in the form of money is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house Lord and 8th house Lord is moving in your 10th house with your 10th house Lord, and right now moving in its retrograde motion. So as we discussed previously, whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So we can expect in the month of September you may have to face some insult regarding your personality, regarding your character, because your character is also seen from 10th house and your first house. So right now your 8th house Lord is moving in your 10th house, and also 10th house Lord is also moving there, and Mercury will be in a combust position, because right now Mercury will be in retrograde motion and Sun is moving towards Mercury. So we can expect you may have to face a lot of difficulty regarding your personality related matter, regarding your character related matter, regarding your authority related matter. You may have to face a lot of conflict, a lot of difficulty, and a lot of insults in the month of September. Also, Mercury control your 11th house, and 11th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can also expect you may have to deal with a lot of conflict regarding your friend circle, your professional circle, and your elder siblings related matter, because your 11th house deal with such thing, and right now moving in your 10th house and will be in a combust position in your 10th house after some time in the month of September. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpio Ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Cancer. 12th house deal with your isolation, your spirituality related matters seen from 12th house, your losses, your expenses, your hospitalization, your foreign settlement, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. 7th house deal with your marriage related matter, your upset deal with your relationship, your marriage, your spouse is seen from 7th house, your business partnership in general is also seen from 7th house, your commitment, your legal bindings also seen from 7th house. So right now your 7th house Lord and your 12th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with your luck related matter, your fortune, your religious matter, your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. Your pilgrimage, your higher education is also seen from your father related matter is also seen from 9th house. So we can expect in the month of September you may have good result regarding your marriage related matter, because your 7th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. Also, if you are looking for second marriage, then we can also expect positive result for you people in the month of September, because right now, because Moon is present in your 7th house in its exalted position, and your 7th house Lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house also deals with your second marriage. So if you are looking for second marriage and second relationship, then we can expect positive result for you people as well in the month of September, especially after 17th of September, when Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpio Ascendant people from Venus in the month of September. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Moon controls your 9th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Taurus. So right now Moon is present in its exalted position because Moon performed very well in the sign of Taurus. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, this video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these house. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, difficulties, and problem in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. But right now, Moon is moving in your 7th house in its exalted position. So we can expect around 6th, 7th, and 8th of September positive result regarding your relationship related matter, regarding your marriage related matter, and regarding your second marriage related matter as well, because your 7th lord is moving right now in your 9th house. One thing is also very important to discuss here is that Ketu is moving in your 12th house from last year, March 2022, and Ketu try to separate you in 12th house. So we can expect you may face some difficulty. So you need to be take care of your losses because Ketu in 12th house give losses. So you need to be take care of these matter in the month of September regarding all of these matters. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Mars controls your first house and your 6th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Virgo. First house deal with you, your personality seen from first house, your fundamental nature, your physique, your fame in life, your general health is also seen from first house. How strong your chart is seen from first house. Sixth house deal with your conflict, your argument, your fight, your competition, your loans is seen from fifth house. Your hidden enemies is also seen from sixth house. Your daily routine, your disease pattern is also seen from sixth house. So right now your sixth house lord and your first house lord is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Virgo. So we can expect positive result for you people, especially after 17th of September, because Sun will 17th September, Sun will also move to your 11th house, and your ascendant lord is already moving in your 11th house. So we can expect positive result for you people regarding your gains related matter, regarding your hopes and wishes related matter in the month of September. Just you need to take care of your losses and your thoughts, because Ketu give unnecessary and unusual thoughts in your 12th house. So we can expect you may feel isolated, you may think a lot unnecessary a lot in the month of September. Mars also controls your sixth house, and your sixth house is right now occupied by Rahu and Jupiter, and Mars taking Rahu. So we can expect you may have to deal with some conflict, some litigation in the month of September as well, because your sixth house lord is moving 6 places away from itself. If we count from sixth house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means your sixth house lord is moving 6 places away from itself, and right now Rahu is also moving in your sixth house. So we can expect you may have to face some conflict litigation in the month of September as well. Expect these results for all the Scorpio Ascendant people in the month of September from all the planets. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. As we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house on 17th September in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your 9th house and will stay retrograde till 3rd September. After 3rd September, Venus will turn into its direct motion in your 9th house. Third and most important astrological event is that, as we discussed previously, Jupiter is right now moving in your 6th house, and Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 10th house in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 15th of September. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction video. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, and you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.